What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to DOTW Drink of the Week. So we're going to be doing a Harvey Wallbanger, but wanted to say thanks for staying tuned in. It's been a while since we've done a video, and I'll turn this over.
This week, we're going to learn how to make the Harvey Wallbanger.
Order up!
Ha ha! Thank you, sir. That's a good Harvey Wallbanger. So, Harvey Wallbanger has two different stories. The original story is that there was a surfer, he lost a competition, and he came in and got a screwdriver, just your common screwdriver, and he asked the bartender to float a little bit of Galliano on the top. And after drinking to inebriation, he ran over and banged his head against the wall, hence the name Harvey Wallbanger. Another gentleman wrote a book and did a bunch of research and learned that that competition never existed, that surfer didn't exist, and the bar that it's said to originate from in Hollywood doesn't exist either. And it's left to be believed that the Harvey Wallbanger actually started on the East Coast and then migrated its way into California. Proof of either story, so hence, nonetheless, we're just left to believe that the Harvey Wallbanger started right here in California, and that's what we're going to do today, is we're going to make the Harvey Wallbanger for you. So, super simple cocktail.
Also, let us know what story you like best. I personally like the first story, surfing competition. Yeah.
Bang your head. It's super simple cocktail, way easy to make. If you can make a screwdriver, you can make the Harvey Wallbanger. I mean, as you can see what I've got set up, you can make it without the Marciano cherries and so on and so forth. Generally, you're supposed to use freshly squeezed orange juice. We're not doing that today. We're being cheap. We're going with the Dole orange juice, 100% juice. That's what we're going to use today. It's really, really easy. It's probably one of the simplest cocktails you can make. So let's get into it. As always, stay tuned in right here. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week. Fingers crossed, right? So we're going to start out with our shaker.
Some free ice. Thank you, your local gas station.
So we're going to go ahead and start out with our shaker. And it's really simple. I mean, you're going to want to start with your vodka, and it's going to be 1 part vodka, 2 parts orange juice. And then we'll just throw that right on top. We'll get to shaking.
Shaking till cold, so the glass is cold.
We've got our glass already pre-filled with ice. We'll go ahead and strain that right in there. And right over the top, we're going to float a little bit of Galliano. And that, my friends, is the all great and mighty Harvey Wallbanger from the 1970s, possibly invented in late 59, but made famous in the 70s. And that's ready for you to drink. That is delicious. Dang, that's my first Harvey Wallbanger. That thing's actually really good. We could also garnish it up so that it looks pretty. With an orange. One cherry. And that makes your Harvey Wallbanger one beautiful cocktail that everybody comes back to enjoy. Damn good cocktail. All right, guys, that order's up. We look forward to seeing you next week. Can't wait to see you. Let's get this done. We'll see you then.